Hello students, today we are continuing our continuation topic of compound angles which are like this. Now write another question as like this. Write the root 3 cos 25, root 3 cos 25 degrees plus sin 25 degrees all by 2 as sine of angle, as sine of angle. Okay. Okay, now solution. Consider root 3 cos 25 degrees plus sin 25 degrees by 2 can be taken as, split the fraction, root 3 by 2 cos 25 plus 1 by 2. We are going to write this value of sine angle, root 3 by 2 in sine terms can be written as sine 60 degrees cos 25 degrees cos 60 because 1 by 2 sine 25 degrees. This is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B. So how much is sin? 85 degrees. This is the given value in sine angles. Next question. Write cos theta minus cos theta minus sin theta as cosine of angle, cosine of angle. Okay, cosine angle. Listen one thing here. The important thing here in this problem as like this solution. Okay, consider cos theta minus sin theta this is in the form of A cos theta plus B sin theta plus C. Okay, here A has no value, nothing but A value is 1, B value is minus 1. Now take the value root A square plus B square. What will come here? 1 square plus minus 1 square. How much will come? Root 2. So we have to do one thing here. The given expression divided and multiplied by root 2. Now the value cos theta minus sin theta multiplying and dividing by dividing by root of a square plus b square. Understand? This is dividing and multiplying by root of a square plus b square. Understand? Okay. Now another thing, continuation. So what will come here? Root 2 into 1 by root 2 cos theta minus sin theta. This can be get as like this. So cos theta minus, this can be 1 by root 2 cos theta. Open the value multiplying to the bracket, 1 by root 2 sin theta. Understand? Now this can be root 2 into 1 by root 2 is in cos angle 45 cos pi by 4 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 can be written as sin pi by 4 sin theta. Now root 2 into, this is in the form of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is the formula? Cos of A plus B root 2 into cos of pi by 4 plus theta. We have written that value as the cosine angle. Okay? Or pi by 4 plus theta or theta plus pi by 4. No problem. We can take in any way. Understand? Next question. Okay? The next question is, if sine of, next question is, if sine of theta plus alpha equal to cos of theta plus alpha. If sine of theta plus alpha equal to cos of theta plus alpha. Okay? Then find tan theta in terms of tan alpha. Then find tan theta in terms of tan alpha. Okay? Now let us continue it. Solution. Okay? Now solution. What is given here? Consider cosine of theta plus alpha equals to cos of theta plus alpha. It can be taken as sin of theta plus alpha by cos of theta plus alpha equal to 1. Take cross multiplication, again will come the same value. It can be taken as tan of theta plus alpha, sin by cos. We know the formula of tan of A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan theta tan alpha equal to 1. Take cross multiplication. What will come? See here as like this. Okay. Now we can get the value as tan theta plus tan alpha equals to 1 minus tan theta into tan alpha. Tan theta into tan alpha. Terms tan theta take together. Tan theta plus tan theta into tan alpha. The remaining term take right side will come as 1 minus tan alpha. What is get common left side? Tan theta get common will come 1 plus tan alpha equals to 1 minus tan alpha. Okay. So tan theta equals to 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. This is the value of tan theta in terms of tan alpha. Understand? Let us go for one more question as like this. The second question is, show that, another question. Now show that sin square sin square 52.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degrees. Sin square 52.5 degrees minus 22.5 degrees equals to root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Understand? Solution. Now consider sin square 52.5 degrees, sin square 22.5 degrees. We have the formula of sin square A minus sin square B. Formula is sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Listen. Formula of sin square A minus sin square B equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B 52.5 degrees plus 22.5 degrees into sin of A minus B 52 and half minus 22 and half. Okay. 52 plus 22, 74. 52 and half plus 22 and half, sin 75. Next term, sin 30 degrees. I have already told you the value of sin 75 degrees. How much? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Value of sin 75 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into sin 30 value 1 by 2. Here, what will come here in numerator? Same will come, root 3 plus 1. In denominator, 2 into 2, 4. 4 root 2 will come. Understand? Okay, right. Not it, Jesse.